that's done, it's time to eat. And one thing that I really love to do is not waste any food. So I'm kind of in a rush this morning, so I want to make scrambled eggs. And as you're looking through the fridge, you can find a lot of things that you may have like already prepped, already cut up that you can go ahead and use. And eggs are like a great base to use it in. I grabbed some ham from a ham wrap that I'm gonna make later on. And I have some tomatoes that I chopped up, a little bit of shredded onions from the burgers last night. You can see my plate here. Everything goes in. So I have olive oil in my pan. My eggs are already scrambled. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my onions, my ham, and tomatoes. Just like this. Super fast, super easy. Pinch of salt. I like spicy. Crushed red pepper, nothing wrong with that. You're gonna see how easy and fast this is. And so full of protein. Time for the eggs. Right on top. Oh my God, this smells so good. And I have leftover lettuce torn here from the burgers last night. You know what, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use those to put nice little bites of egg on. There it is. All right, so it only takes a second to make this. Just put it on my lettuce leaves like this, and you can top it with spicy mayo. You can put some hot sauce on it. You can make it however you want. So this is a great way to use up leftovers, get a protein-packed breakfast. After a workout, you're gonna feel amazing all the rest of the day.